everybody, Jordan here. I'm back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some products from Gungnir Grooming Co. Use code THETRUTH to save 15%. Check out Gungnir Grooming on Instagram as well as their website, link down below. Yeah, and check out the rest of the crew. Ulfer Tilhar, those are the high ones. Ian, George, myself, and then Chris from Gungnir Grooming. I'll link all their Instagrams down below. Check out the homies. They also have codes for Gungnir Grooming as well. Ian is King Goat and George is Canadian Viking. Those codes work as well. They're all just discount codes. Feel free to use those, but mine is the truth. Yeah, check out my previous Gungnir Grooming content below. Live streams, unboxings, a review. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below. Let's hop into it. Alrighty, so the owner of Gungnir Grooming is Chris Shelton. He's been on my live stream twice before, based in New York, founded in November 2021. Norris Viking themed small batch handmade beard products. Yeah, next let's talk about the ingredients for the oil. Alright, so the ingredients for Gungnir Grooming's beard oil: jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, hemp seed oil, castor oil, fragrance oils. Let's discuss the scents that I got as well as the products that I ordered. Let's unbox them. Alrighty, so the first one that I got is Soul, which is Gungnir Grooming's newest scent, which just came out recently. I believe last week, last couple weeks as I'm recording this. It's bergamot, lime, jasmine, bay rum, sandalwood, and vanilla. And then Chris also threw in a bottle of Twilight of the Thunder God, which I unboxed a sample of this in my last Gungnir Grooming unboxing. I'll have that link down below as well. This one is cider, bergamot, vetiver, cedarwood, and leather. This one's awesome. And then I got Fafnir's Blood soap, which is green apple, harvest spice, and vanilla. I also got a Gungnir Grooming snapback hat. Yeah, let's check out everything that I ordered. Alrighty, here we go. That's an awesome hat. Classics, put that on right now. Another snapback for the wall. Boom, there we go. Nice fit, high quality, feels comfortable. And we got a note. Jordan, thank you for the support, brother. Hope this finds you well. Have a great week, man. Chris, pretty cool. And then, so this is Soul. And it's actually written on the bottle now, so these are new labels, newly redesigned. Very, very nice. Awesome, those look really, really good. So we'll put that there for now. And then we got Twilight of the Thunder God, which also is relatively new. And it's written right on there, handwritten. That's awesome, I like that. Much better than the runes were cool, but I think this is easier to read, especially if you have a bunch of products. Definitely makes it easier to identify them all. And we got the Fafnir's Blood soap, which has a dragon on it. Super, super cool. I have a soap in the Wanderer as well. Works great. Really good quality soap. Smells awesome. And then this is a tester for an upcoming scent, which I'm definitely intrigued to check out. Stay tuned for that. And we got another sticker. Super, super dope. Yeah, that's what we got. All right, let's check out these scents. So we'll start with Soul, because that's the new one. I haven't tried that one yet. Nice amber dropper top bottles. Ooh. Ooh. So that one is bergamot, lime, jasmine, bay rum, sandalwood, and vanilla. I definitely get the bergamot and the lime off the bat. A little bit of bay rum gives it that kind of powdery scent. Sandalwood and vanilla is in the background, but you can tell it's there. Yeah, that smells nice. Can't wait to rock that one in beard. And next we got Twilight of the Thunder God, which I have tried in a sample. And Twilight of the Thunder God is cider, bergamot, vetiver, cedarwood, and leather. Let's give this one a smell. I do know what this one smells like, but I'll smell it again because it does smell great. Woodsy and clean and crisp. Definitely get the leather. Banger. And then this is a new one. I don't know the scent profile for this one off the top of my head, but this is an upcoming scent. Ooh. Not gonna say too much, but that's earthy but clean. Interesting. can't wait to try that in beard. And then we got the Fafnir's Blood Soap, which I also have tried in oil. This is a banger scent, one of my favorites for the fall slash winter. So good. Love that scent. Might be one of my favorites that I've used this year. Really, really good. Green apple, harvest spice, and vanilla. But yeah, so that's the stuff that I ordered from Gungnir Grooming. Shout out to Chris for throwing in the extra oil in Twilight of the Thunder God, as well as the extra tester of an upcoming scent. Stay tuned for that. Follow Gungnir Grooming on Instagram for more updates, as well as check out their website. Definitely recommend trying them if you haven't already. And if you have tried them, try more. Lots of great scents. Gungnir Grooming is one of the underrated companies out there. Definitely recommend you try them. Great oil, great butter, great soap. Really great products all around. Handmade, small batch, made in America. Yeah. Wrap up this video. Use code THETRUTH to save 15%. Gungnir Grooming's website, I'll link that down below. Follow them on Instagram as well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below if you've tried Gungnir Grooming, what your favorite scent is. If you haven't, let me know what scent you'd like to try. Definitely recommend you check them out. Check out Gungnir Grooming's website and Instagram, link down below. Like I said, thanks again for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.